Hi everyone.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. How are you? Are you all doing well?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Very good.
how
I'm
are you,
also
ma'am?
doing good. I'm also doing good. Thank you. Today we will be drawing a Indian folk art. We will be drawing a Indian folk art. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Yeah. So I'm just placing my mobile in such a way that you'll be able to see what am I drawing. Remember, you have to keep your paper straight. Okay? Vertical.
Ma'am,
Huh?
what all do we need? What all do we need?
Yeah, just a second. You have to keep your paper vertical. Okay. See, this is my top, this is my bottom. I'm going to keep it like this. So the top will come here. I am going to draw a upside down drawing. Okay. You have to copy as it is. Okay. You have to just copy as it is. Right.
Okay,
I'm going to keep my paper upside down so that it will be clear to you all and you all can copy the drawing as it is. Okay. Yes.
okay, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah. So I'm just placing the mobile so that you will be able to see the drawing. Yes. Are you able to see the drawing? Are you able to see the paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this will be my top. This will be my bottom. So I'm going to draw it upside down. Okay. First, just mark 2 points just above the center. Above the center, mark 2 points. Okay. And a third point, more 2 points here. See, okay, understood? Now, keeping these points in your mind, what you have to do, take a deep U. You have to meet these points. Again, understood? You have to make a deep U like this. Okay, and first you have to draw with the pencil. I will give you the time for sketching. Understood? Be on mute, please. Be on mute, please. Okay, understood? This much you have to draw. Understood? Now, mark 2 points here. Mark 2 points here. And again, we have to draw a U, but this time, how it will be? See, meet these 2 points and continue like this. Understood? Once you have done this, just show me, all of you.
I'm done.
Show. Yes, very good.
Ma'am, please see.
Yes,
Ma'am, see.
Ma'am, is this fine?
yes. Myra, yes. Show me, Ritvik.
Ma'am, is it fine?
Wait. Yes, Goodly, it is fine. Ritvik, show me.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Show me. Just hold it straight. Hold it properly. Yes, very good. Yes, Janmin, wait.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, after that.
Yes, just a second. Just a second. Now, again, mark 1 point here, 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 and at this level, 1 point here. Okay? Now, again, we have to join this. How? One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay. For the drawings, I want to say you, after the drawing is being done, I need your pictures of the drawing. Probably you can send me the picture as you are holding the drawing yourself. Okay, like that you can send me the picture. Last drawing I got only Samaira's picture. What about you, Jermaine? Why didn't you send me?
Ma'am, I don't know where to send.
Why? You are in some group, right?
Ma'am, I not sent because I wasn't in the last class.
Yes, yes, I know, my dear. You were not there. Okay, what about you, Ritvik? You have
I
to
had
send me
made
the pictures.
I had made two drawings of that of that first drawing. I had I had two times I have made that.
You have to send me, my dear, on the group. You have to send me. Probably you have to send it like that, that you are holding the drawing. Your face should also come and the drawing should also come. Okay?
But what is
From
that
next time,
topic? What is
from
that
next
topic?
time, please follow that. Now, this thing is over. The topic
Yes,
for
ma'am.
this drawing is Indian folk art. Yes. Huh? Now, take a slanting curved line. Leave it. Take a slanting curved line. Leave it. Again, from here, Again from here, okay, again from here, take a slanting curved line, leave it. Take a slanting curved line, leave it. Now what are we going to do with the slanting curved line? Mark somewhere a point over here. Mark somewhere a point over here. Okay? And just bring this line like this. Bring this line like this. Okay, from this side also we are going to do the same. We have marked that point. Just a second. Yes, Samara. Yes, good.
Ma'am, German done.
Yes, show me. Yes, very good. What about you, Ritvik?
Ma'am.
I am drawing like a semicircle on the speaker.
Yes. Now, exactly from the center, mark two lines like this, 2 points like this, I'm sorry, 2 points like this, 1 point here, like this. Okay? What we have to do? We have to make a narrow U. We have to make a narrow U, considering this point in our mind, like this. Make a narrow U considering that point in our mind. Okay, like this.
Done.
Yes.
Ma'am, goodly done.
Yes, I have seen, my dear.
Ma'am, German done.
Yes. Okay, now from this point only, just draw curve like this. Again from here, draw curve like this. Same on the opposite side. Draw a curve like this. Again draw a curve like this.
Ma'am, just been done.
Yes. Somewhere here a little down, we are drawing the eyes like this, like this. Okay, same on the opposite side we are going to follow. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, now here above part, a semicircle like this, a semicircle like this, again a semicircle like this, again a semicircle like this, then small curves, small curves. Okay, again small curves. So 2 times small curves.
That
Now
ma'am.
here, yes, here 1 round, 2 round, 3 round, and here like this, a droplet. Okay, okay, here the eyelid, the eyelid,
And please say.
yes, Samira. Here just a small semicircle, and here round, a small semicircle here, and here a round. Okay, on that round also you can draw the small curves. Draw the small curves. You can take the curves inside this also. Now, here, deep U like this, and like this, and a middle line.
Ma'am, goodly done.
Yeah, very good. Yes,
Ma'am, they're bit done.
yes, very good. Goodly, very good.
Ma'am, should we?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Now,
should we outline now?
wait, we have not done the earring part.
Okay.
Now here, just draw like this circle. In the form of circle, I can say a curve, not a circle, because it is half of the ear, okay? Half of the earring. And again, draw the curves over here. So here also, you can see the jewelry is having a same pattern, okay? See, this also, this also, this also, and this also. We have given the same pattern to the entire jewelry. And here, last but not the least, I forgot, I'm sorry, the eyelashes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Should we do curves in the eyebrow?
No, no, not in the eyebrow. I am just giving the eyelashes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So just give the eyelashes, and after giving that you can sketch it with the help of your black sketch pen.
Ma'am, goodly done.
Yes. Very good. Just sketch
And
it.
we will color it also.
Yes, my dear. Why? What happened?
Ma'am, see.
Yes. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, see.
Yes, Samira, we are going to
Ma'am,
color.
they're finished.
Ma'am, see.
Yes. Very good, Ritvik. Very good. So this is
Ma'am, they're
Indian.
finished.
Yes, I heard your sketching is finished. Let all of them also finish, my dear. Then we will start to color it. This is Indian folk art. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, with
Yes.
which colors?
Oil pastel.
Ma'am, this oil pastel.
I am saying you.
Ma'am,
I am saying you. I am saying you.
ma'am, it's the same one.
These are oil pastel crayons.
Ma'am, and teacher have the same one.
Yes, okay. You all like the drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please be on mute. Please be on mute. Who is on unmute? Please be on mute, my dear. Okay. First, we are going to color the lips, which is primary red. Color number 350. Primary red. Color very much gently, my dear kids. Don't go
Ma'am,
outside.
ma'am, wait, my sketching is not done.
Yes, do it. And kindly be on mute. Do it.
Ma'am, can you please wait? I'm sketching it.
Okay, okay. I'm just doing this primary red and waiting.
Ma'am, done.
Me too, ma'am.
Kindly do primary red in the lip part. Primary red, the color number is 350.
Ma'am, can I sketch?
What?
Can I sketch, ma'am?
What to sketch?
The lips.
So I already told you to sketch it first in the black sketch pen.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you have to do with oil pastel crayons. After that.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I sketch fully? Ma'am, can I sketch fully?
I am exactly not understanding what you are going to what are you saying, because I told you to sketch it entire like this what I have done.
Okay, ma'am.
I am not understanding what are you under impression because I gave you time also a few minutes back. Now this part also, this part we will do the red part here on the top. Okay, the primary red part here on the top. There is a color named sap green. There is a color named sap green. Color number 391. Color number 391.
Ma'am, is that dark green?
Sap green.
Ma'am, I am
Color,
having deep green.
color number is 391.
Ma'am, actually I'm having the Faber-Castell one. So in this it's written deep green.
So you can
मम्मी,
use deep green instead of sap green.
टैबलेट का रेड लाइट दिखा रहा है.
You can use deep green instead of sap green.
Ma'am, what is the number?
Sap green the number is 351. Deep
Ma'am, I
green the
have
number
only
is
deep green. Ma'am,
deep
I
green
have
the
only
number
dark
is
green.
108.
ये डॉम्स का पूरा क्लास तो कलर उधर रखा है अभी फिलहाल तो इसी से कर ले मैं पूरा वाला ला
Kindly
दूंगी
be on mute. Kindly be on mute.
मैडम व्हाट इज द कलर सेट दिस वन द नंबर्स व्हिच यू आर calling from we have this camlin one
आपके पास कैमलिन हो, you have कैमलिन, फेबर कासेल, कैमल, कोरस, डोम्स and whatever other brand. This is a universal number on the oil pastel.
okay
So the number which I am giving 108, 108 is the universal number to each and every brand of deep green color. It will be 108.
Deep green is dark green because
डॉम्स का जो बड़ा वाला है ना उसमें है अभी इसमें जो डार्क
ma'am, this green is also I have only this green.
Now wait a minute, just a second. All of you be on mute. What is the problem? I told you if you don't have this green, use deep green. You all
Ma'am,
are saying me we are having deep green, we are having deep green. So you know what is the color deep green. Why you need the number then? I have told you the number also. It is 108.
ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am, that my deep green is showing 102 color.
Okay, no problem. Color that. Now take the yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre. Yellow ochre, the color number is 492.
I have lemon yellow.
Ochre yellow.
I have lemon yellow.
Kindly be on mute. Whoever is on unmute, please. Why again and again I have to say you all?
Ma'am, I don't have the yellow.
Take lemon yellow if you don't have ochre yellow.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm done coloring lemon yellow. And also the lips and also the
Again the semicircle, the curve part, you have to do primary red. Primary red. We did two curves, right? So the second curve will be primary red. See my dear kids, color it very nicely because this is the small things which we have done over here. See, like this. Okay, my dear kids. Again, we are showing this part also as red. Okay. Mostly there will be red color which we will be using. Now these
Ma'am, see.
small curves
Ma'am, see.
also we have to do in red. Okay.
Ma'am, see.
Yes. Very good.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
I told you very good. Kindly be on mute. I am saying you fourth time. Kindly be on mute. Okay. These small which we have made also will be in red color. Now we won't be able to do the oil pastel red over there because it is too small. So kindly do it with sketch pen.
Ma'am, done doing that. Actually,
Again,
I have done half semicircle. Half circle I have done from the nose ring.
kindly will you be on mute? Again the earring part we have to do in red. Okay. And green over here so that it will look like it is a filled earring, not a empty ring. For the face, we will be needing two combinations. One is peach and one is ochre yellow. There are two combinations. Okay. So here the
Ma'am,
forehead
flowers are
side.
yellow.
Can I do only
No.
skin because
Yes. So if you are not
Excuse me,
having, you
ma'am.
can just a second, just a second. If you are not having, all of you, are you having sunset yellow color?
no miss, I am having
Yes,
only
ma'am.
yellow.
Ma'am,
Deep
But
I
yellow
I
have
color,
have
deep
excuse me,
yellow color.
but
deep yellow color. I
excuse
have
me,
yellow around.
ma'am, ma'am,
Garment, do you have deep yellow color?
Let me see, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Ritvik, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, I have peach and yellow ochre.
You have ochre yellow? Okay.
And ma'am, peach also.
ma'am, I don't have dark green, but I have buff color.
What color?
See, I have this color.
What is the name of the color, my dear?
Oil pastel. Yellow orchard.
Ochre. That's what I am asking. It is not orchard. It is ochre.
Ma'am, are you telling four right to? Ma'am, I don't have deep yellow. Ma'am,
Just a second. Take your peach color with you.
I don't
ma'am,
have
number,
this color.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
peach color.
Peach color. The color number is.
ma'am,
It is
yellow
written flesh
orchid is
tint. It is
492.
written flesh tint. The color number is 128.
Excuse me, ma'am, I don't have deep yellow, but I have yellow ochre and lemon yellow.
My dear, only take flesh
Ma'am,
tint color. The color number is. The color number is.
ma'am, is the number 128?
Yes.
I have it, ma'am.
That's what I was saying now, my dear. Okay. Now color it very neatly. Only the places where I am coloring, you have to color that. Okay. Do it very neatly, my dear kids. Still, we have to do the black color. So our black color is still remaining, but that we will do at the very last.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of last but not least?
Last but not least. What is the meaning
Yes.
of last but not least? Means we have to do it last, but it is not the least. It is not that we have finished it. We have to keep in mind that that is the last thing. It is an idiom actually what you have said. Last but not the least. Ashik,
Excuse me, ma'am. I have white color. I have white
we don't
color
need
oil
white color.
pastel. What?
We don't need white color.
Ma'am, done.
Just a second.
I have done skin. Ma'am, when we
Just a
will make
second.
another cartoon?
What?
When we will make another cartoon?
Yes, I will say you when.
By mistakenly, I have done full face. Is that peach yellow? Because I've done.
Wow.
Is that peach yellow?
Nice. But you could have done it with yellow, but even peach
I'm
is
not understanding who is asking me any doubt. Is there any doubt, my dear kids, in doing the simple instructions what I am saying you? See, you have to be very neatly doing. Eyebrow part we don't have to do. Eyes part we don't have to do. So do it very neatly. Again, when you come down, see to it that you are not going inside the eyes. So instead of talking and chit-chatting here, ma'am, how to do, ma'am, this to do, that to do, just observe me, how am I doing, my dear kids? And do it very neatly. Don't do anyhow. Just to fill the colors, don't do that way. Please do it neatly. So here we have covered today's topic as Indian folk art. Don't take out whenever you are doing the outline part. For that reason only we do the outline first so that our colors should not go out or should not mix inside with any other color. Okay, now this inside nose ring part we can do the coloring. Huh? Inside nose ring part we can do the coloring. Because nose ring is just a ring, okay? So besides that, the face is seen. So inside that you can do it.
Ma'am, why are we not doing the eyebrows which we have drawn?
My dear, eyebrows are not of skin color. Are your eyebrows of skin color?
No, I am coloring it black.
No, but I will say you that time you have to color, right?
Yes, but I have done the full face.
Yes, so kindly wait. Whenever we are doing in a group, we should have the habit of waiting for our friends also. Why they should be left behind? We should be always having the habit to wait for each other. Now the ears part also we have to do in our skin color. Okay?
Full skin.
This is the ear part. So we are doing in skin color. Only the ear part, not the head part.
But I have done the head part also skin.
Is your head skin color? Are you
Yeah.
not with the hairs? Yes?
No.
Are
I
you
have
not with
not
the
done.
hairs? Are you bald? Do we stay bald? Or we have hairs? Say me.
What?
Say me, my dear.
Yes, I have drawn that.
We all have hairs, right? So hairs are black in color.
देखिए येलो वाला मारना था actually.
Excuse
We
me.
are not bald. So we don't want to color it skin color.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Samira.
Ma'am, I'm saying I have a class at 6 o'clock. So can you tell which next color we have to do?
You have done this much.
Yes, ma'am.
The next is the black color. We will be finishing in 5 minutes. Don't worry. Can you wait just for 5 minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Don't worry. We will be finishing in 5 minutes time. Did you like this drawing?
Yes, ma'am. Can you see mine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now take your black color. Take your black color, all of you. This eyelid part, we
I
have to
have
do
done
it.
the handwriting.
Eyelid part, we have to do black. Okay. Again, another eyelid part, we have to do black. The eyebrow part, we have to do black.
Done, ma'am.
Both the eyebrows part, we have to do black. Yes, and these hair part, we have to do black. So Samaira, only this much black part is there and then we finish the drawing. Understood, Samaira?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you can do it. Show it to me and even share your picture of the group. I like that you loved the last time drawing. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Everyone in my family said this is so beautiful.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you so, so much. And always remember my instructions at home also whenever you are sitting for coloring. Sit in an undisturbed place first of all. Sit straight. Your posture should be very much straight whenever you are drawing and coloring. Because ultimately it is developing a good habit in you. Yes, very good, Samaira.
Ma'am, I'll send you after my class.
Yes, send me the picture.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Done.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
done.
Very good, Ritvik. Yes, now who is showing me?
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, goodly.
Very good, Goodly. What about you, Jermin? What about you, Jermin?
I'm almost finished, ma'am.
Ma'am, see.
Yes, very good. Jermin, what about you?
I'm done now, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see?
Wow, good. Kindly share your pictures to the group, whatever.
Ma'am, mine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, mine.
Kindly share your picture of whatever group you are connected to. Okay?
Ma'am, can we leave?
Yes, yes, my dear.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, dear.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, Miss. Thank you, Miss.